we're doing something special. Just peeled a bunch of white potatoes. And we are making the Wade's special.
The hobo.
Waiter, tell the good people what you're making.
The hobo.
The hobo.
The hobo.
I would say this is our favorite camping elk hunting food, isn't it?
It is. Probably have enough you could make.
Potatoes. Some diced onion.
Yeah.
And then, of course,
Diced andouille here, son.
big andouille sausage.
Dude, I think we're going to have a load. We could probably even save some for another day.
Oh, we could. We could do the max thing and make.
We could do the onion bacon and onion and bacon and our fried potatoes too. Why not?
We could add some of that backstrap to it.
Oh, yeah. Have it right with it.
Oof. It's important to keep snacks by
That's
the
right.
food prep station. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is the greatest potato chip
Ever.
in the history of potato chips.
Get no
And
better
if you don't think so, then fight me.
Get some andouille cut up.
Got some coals going. Some really good cooking coals. That's a good fire. Andouille sausage. White potatoes.
Sorry.
A white onion, or a yellow onion. Call it a yellow onion? That's a yellow onion. All right, foil. You got to walk us through it though, step by step,
Oh man,
like Martha Stewart. Oh yeah,
You good?
that looks
I
good.
can always cut some more if I need.
No, we're good. Where's the magic touch? He's got to track down the magic ingredient. What do you got there, Wade? Show the people.
Alpine Touch. We need a year supply of this, or a 10-year supply. From you people in Montana.
Booyah.
Boo, yeah. Bata.
That is bouter. It's French, I believe. Bouter. Butter's good in everything.
Great.
Breakfast cereal, your hobos.
You name it. Bata is good.
Oh, that thing is ready to rock and roll.
It is,
Thanks for making this, Wade. You let me video. You just wrap that up like a little baby in a blanket.
That's right. And this is best used with heavy duty aluminum foil, but numero uno. Place the cooking.
Mucho gracias. Oh, if I don't trip, getting my way over here. Now, I gotta find a home for this. How about right there? Yeah.
Oh man, I think those potatoes are done. Done enough for me, Ellis.
Yeah?
Let's see. We probably ought to get yours out of there.
All right. And there it is. Look at that action.
Oh. He's missing out on the goods, I'm telling you.
Oh, man.
It does smell really good.
You can have a bite of mine if you'd like, Max.
Oh,
But only
so
one.
you
But
got a
only
bite of
one
mine,
bite. A small bite.
Just covered it in ranch.
Yeah.
It's a problem.
That's the problem. Oh, man.
This was a really tough elk hunt this year in Colorado. In this particular unit, which is an over-the-counter unit, there was a lot of hunter pressure. We didn't hardly have any snow, so the elk weren't concentrated in any one particular place on the mountain. It wasn't until the morning of the second to last day of the hunt that we finally located this bachelor group of legal bulls.
You can see that top bull's I think a small 5-point bull. Well, they're both, I think, small 5-point bulls. Really cool to put eyes on them, have a plan come together. We're just going to sit here and watch them for a little bit and see where they go, what they do. Good morning, though. There's another bull here. This is the one that Max and Wade were looking at, but this is the 4th bull in this bachelor group. And he looks to be the best bull in the group. Young bull still, but he might be a small 6-point, I can't really tell. But he's on our side of the mountain. The other 3 bulls are down beyond him. So, pretty fun morning so far. We're gonna see if we can put together a plan. This bull we gotta be careful with, because where he's at, he'll see us making a move.
We watched this group of bulls from across the canyon for quite a while that morning before deciding to finally make a play on the best bull in the group. When we did, things happened pretty quick, so the next little video clip here is the phone scope video of the shot.
When you're ready, you can take a shot. You're gonna hold it right on it, right where you know to aim. And just touch one off. You're gonna kill this bull with one shot, okay? Just pull that trigger very easily. Remember, it's a hair trigger. But when you're ready, go ahead and just take one good shot. What? Don't worry about it on this shot. Just when you're ready, just make a good shot. Reload. Get back on him. Okay. If he stands up, you do it again. I got him. Okay, shoot him right there if you can. Hang on. Just keep an eye on him.
It's really tough to tell in the phone scope video, and at the time we didn't obviously know for sure, but the shot placement on this bull was definitely not ideal. In fact, the bullet hit the bull really far back and really high in the spine. Not a great shot. Fortunately, at that distance, that bullet had enough energy that it anchored the bull where he was and made for a one-shot kill.
It is 2021. Late rifle in Colorado, 4th season. Max shot the bull. We dialed him for 400. He was 396. In the phone scope, it's tough to tell where the impact is, but it looks like it's back and really high in the spine. He came right down the mountain. So Wade and I are going to camp out and get Max over there. He is directly across from us. Well, we can't see him, but where he was standing is at the upper end. Look at my hand shaking. Look at that. Look at my finger. I can't stop it. Anyways, he's over there. And he shot and came down. We heard him crash for quite a ways, but we can't see him. Max is gonna go over there. We're gonna use the 2 ways, get him to where he was standing, and hopefully we've got a dead bull. He's a 5x6, I think. We saw 4 bulls this morning. He was the best one. But we were making our way down, And that joker showed up on the other side over there at 400. Beautiful day. Big, dark, deep canyon, and Max has got his work cut out for him to get over there. And if he finds him, I think Wade and I will probably just stay up here and let him do all the work.
I will cheer you on getting that out like no other.
Well, there's Max way out there in that open spot on that next little finger, making his way across. He covered that ground pretty quick, actually. He made it over there in what, 10 minutes probably? So, and he's got to go down. He's got to make it across the creek bed to right about, that bull is standing right there. Boom. So, he's got his work cut out for him, and we will, I keep saying that about Max. You and I are going over there too.
We are.
Gosh dang it. But Wade and I are holding down the eagle's nest.
That's right.
Until he finds his bull. I suppose we'll help him pack that bull out.
Maybe. Yeah, we could probably do that.
Couple of good guys here, you know.
Yeah.
Heroes, really.
Yeah.
If you think about it.
Sovereign good fellows like us.
Okay, Max, stop right there. You are directly above by probably 40, 50 yards is my guess from where he was standing. So I want you to start coming straight down. Yeah. So the tree that he was standing next to, you're like honestly right next to it from our viewpoint. So you're right above where he was. So keep coming down at that angle. He's getting close. He's dangerously close.
Boys, I got eyes on the dead bull. Glad I carried this rifle all the way down here.
Nice job. Hey, you never know. He didn't slide very far, huh?
No, he didn't. He's all caught up on a tree.
He's dead, Wade. You hear it?
I heard it.
He couldn't hold it.
Couldn't hold the 6.5.
Good for him. Oh, now he's in the opening.
Yeah, see, man.
Yeah, he didn't slide very far. If he can see him right there. Bull down. Dude, he's gonna love that bull. He's 4 times bigger than that bull he killed the other day. What, 2 years ago? That bull died right behind those 2 tiny little pine trees.
Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then tiny little split at the end, so maybe 6. I don't know what counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a bigger split on the 5th one on the other side.
Are you reporting live right now that you killed a 6x6 bull?
This is live coverage in living color.
Oh, that's awesome. Well done, dude. 6 point, the gold standard.
I can hear you giggling across canyon.
Do I sound like a high school cheerleader?
A pretty one.
That's awesome. All right, well, do your thing over there. Appreciate it. Enjoy the moment. We'll pack up and start heading that way. Let's go get a bull.
I said, you Ellis boys hunt where the elk are. That doesn't mean I have to like it.
I don't like it either. This hillside sucks. God, what a jungle.
You cannot possibly fall and make the bottom, that's for sure.
Woohoo! That's slick. It is a bit slickery. Get over here where these elk are gonna stand. I think that's the way we're gonna go out. We're gonna attempt to, anyways.
I think that's the best.
All right. Well, let's go. Let's go find our long lost hunting buddy over here.
Are you sure?
I mean, what I wanna do is just go ahead and leave
I want to head straight up that gully.
before we have to pack anything out of here. The hunter of the hour. And look what he found. He found himself a dang bull elk.
Find the great white hunter.
Oh man. Dude, he's awesome. There you go. And now keep bringing him towards you if you can.
Yeah, dude.
I was gonna scare the crap out of you, Max.
That'll work. Look at him.
Nice.
Those pretty bases. Dark, chocolate horns, glossy. Really a pretty bull. I'm guessing that he's a 4.5-year-old bull. He's got a big head and a bigger body on him. He doesn't seem to be that 3.5-year-old that we see a lot of out here. He's just got a really pretty look to him. Not a giant, just a really nice Colorado 6-point bull. Really a good looking bull in a really elky spot. There's a way top up there. Max killed him another one in a pretty rough spot. One of these days he'll stop doing that, maybe. This bull's he's a little prettier than that one we shot. Oh, broke the heck. Oh, yeah. We're calling him a 6-point, man. He's for sure a 6 on this. That little split is small, but we're calling that a 6th. He's pretty. Max outdid himself on this joker. He's pretty. In a pretty spot. I feel bad that you're gonna have to pack him out of here all by yourself.
It's a rough day.
Wade and I gotta go into town and go get a steak.
That's right. We got to celebrate while you get this thing out.
Yeah. Oh, he's pretty. Aren't these a cool animal, Wade?
They are.
Man, there ain't nothing sweet.
Beautiful creature.
Bull elk. The only thing sweeter than this bull elk would be a big giant bull elk, but that'd be more butt muscle we gotta pack.
Dude, you're going to be in contention with Kevin for the church elk this year.
Still no inspirational words for all my viewers?
I freeze up. Sorry.
He's a little camera shy, but
All right. Let's do the work part now, I guess.
you ready?
Yep.
Oh. I don't know what that was. I don't know if I can turn around. Holy balls, what was that? Oh, smokes.
That was an elk burp.
Shake it loose, man. I don't want to let go of it, but I might have to. Oh, that's nasty.
Here, trade me for a second. Okay. I got him. Nothing left but the crying now. We got that bull all broke down. I've got a little bit in my pack. Back straps, tenderloins, a heart. We'll take out what we can tonight with my main bag and then come back in tomorrow and grab the rest. Big adventure. We got to find our way up there. We're not going to go that way, I can tell you that. We're going to go up the creek bed. Hopefully it won't be too bad. What you boys think?
We're out of here.
We're out of here. We're out like a fat kid in dodgeball.
Whoa.
I don't have
leave
it.
like a tree.
I don't have it. Make like a tree and leave.
Yeah. Something like that.
Something like that. This creek bed's been pretty good to us so far until that right there. But it's pretty. It's really cool. Frozen waterfall right off that little shale cliff.
That's pretty cool. That's just a very really short taking picture. You up there, Wade?
Oh, solid ice.
That's pretty slippery.
Look at the.
I'm going in, Ellis.
That's pretty wild, actually. I dig that.
It is. I'm digging it. Careful.
Don't bump him loose.
It's slippery.
Yeah.
I made it to the rock.
What are you calling this one? Cave Rock? Icicle
Ice
Cave? Ice House?
This is ice house.
How's it in there? She's like, I feel like you could live in there for 100 days.
I feel like I could.
Oh,
It's pretty
man.
roomy. Goes all the way over there. Welcome to Ice House.
Welcome to Ice House. But we're out of the nasty stuff until tomorrow. Go back in there and do it again. So. Can't beat that. Colorado sunset. Everything's orange. That's right. So, oh, day's almost over. Good day. Great bull. Public land. The counter out here doing it ourselves. Feels good. We are
So close.
doing one of those classic night hikes.
We are close.
We have
So very, very close.
been on the trail for a couple hours, I think.
Did you roll on some video?
Yeah, dog.
Dilly.
Dude, look at these horns coming out of here.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Massive man. The massive wobbler.
There's the
Dilly.
there's a hype man in the back.
Bringing up the rear.
Oh, Max,
Well done,
Wade,
Michelle.
and my wife in the lead. This might be her last pack trip of all time. I don't think she enjoyed herself too much tonight, but she did it
She did it.
like a freaking champion.
The Lizimal.
Lizimal.
That's what I'm talking about, dude.
Look at those antlers and the glow of the headlight.
Oh, look at that. That is picturesque, for sure.
I'm telling you.
Look at that.
Oh, looks so good.
That does. Well done, my friend.
You can't see us either. My headlight's too bright.
Hello.
We got an elk all the way back. Did a bit of a night hike. There's the killer.
Look at that.
Oh my
right
gosh, look at the abs he developed just on the walkout.
there. That's Max Robinson, the bull. The bull.
Oh,
Oh.
feels good. There's his bull.
This is lovely.
Colorado Sixer.
A beauty.
Indeed.
A beauty indeed.
I gotta take this hindquarter off my back.
Yeah. You want to, let me give you a little hand there, Mr.
Yeah.
Ellis? Okay. Ellis is on gearing. The man among men with a 900-pound pack.
Yeah, right. My last backpack on?
Backpack off. Whoa. Tipping over. Oh.
Come here, boy.
Tipping over.
Oh. Oh.
Dilly.
That feels good. Alright. We'll deal with that later. Alright, that was the last bull hunt for the year. Max Robinson
The bull.
with the 6-point bull. That's a wrap, folks.
I say it every year, and every year it becomes a little more true, that hunting season comes and goes way too fast. 2021 was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one.